What's up guys, this is Garage Built K's. My name is Travis. In today's video we're going to be going over putting the trans in, mounting up the turbo. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. I believe it's in this hand corner over here. Also drop me a like, that would be awesome. Let's dive into it. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
A base RSX transmission. Nate from Nate Built Racing just put Mfactory LSD in. I need to paint this just to make it look a little bit nicer. Looks like it's actually pretty clean.
But the one who took my sins, I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing.
Alright, first coat is done. Looks pretty good. We're using just basic enamel, temperature spray or whatever. Looks pretty good. I gotta do probably another coat just to be safe, but.
Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap.
Alright, so we're underneath the car, got all the flywheel bolts in, I gotta torque them down, I got the Loctite on them. I think OEM says 87 pounds, but competition's website for it says 70 pounds to torque it to. I'm going to probably research that real quick before I just start wrenching. Alright, so I hit up Nate and asked him, torque spec is 87. He was recommending torquing them to 100, so I'm gonna do just a touch underneath that, but I'm gonna get it to like 95 or 100, somewhere in there. So I'll start at 60 and then crank it up to the 100.
Everything is on me, gon' back it up, no matter what.
All right, now we have the twin disc clutch going on. Now, so we have that set up correctly. So here's the twin disc. We got the two floater plates and the two discs. We have pressure plate. So we'll get that stuck on real quick. The twin disc on. So I think these are torqued down to 18 pounds. So I get this last one in there. All right, so for the pressure plate bolts, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We gotta get the clutch fork, we gotta get that little rubber piece, and then we gotta get that little clip put on. Then we gotta slide the trans underneath and try to lift it up. That's the fun part. All right, so we got trans in. I got my clutch line on. We got shifter cables all hooked up. I have Mfactory LSD installed in there by Nate. It's Nate Built Racing if you want to look him up on Facebook. I got turbo all mounted up. I'm a little nervous of this section because I am touching the firewall, if you see that. So there's not a whole lot of room. Obviously that's the cold side, but that's kind of how everything is mounted. Get these all wired up. This first one is my oil pressure, second one is my air to fuel, and third is my boost. All of them are not connected behind this little carbon fiber piece, so I gotta get those all connected. I still need to order up the Honda boost controller, so I gotta get that. I need to get my injectors. I still need to get the fuel pump, so I'm going to do a Walbro 450, and I think I'm going to need some 1600 injectors. That's probably what's going to be able to give me that 600 horsepower range without maxing out fuel. So yeah.